Step into the world of Givnik, where every detail flows in perfect harmony. Discover the art of satisfaction through mesmerizing visuals and calming experiences. Protective gloves spin in pigment streams like dancers, creating colored items. A strong machine with sharp teeth digs aggressively. A minute's work by hand takes until dusk. On the surface, sharp lines, even color, no flaws, all from a machine like an artist. Pulling meters of tight material by hand is exhausting. The right machine makes it fluid. Juice cartons are arranged with military-grade exactitude. This machine is a perfectionist with a barcode. One stencil, some concrete, and a dash of patience. Boom! You have chic, custom-designed paving where bare earth once lay. Witnessing tape or film wind onto a spool is deeply satisfying. The rhythm and accuracy evoke a coiled dance. Rock enters. Whoosh! Only fragments remain. This machine clearly savors a good crunch. Rope materializes before your eyes, twist by twist, loop by loop, a weaving ballet performed by steel digits. Pine needles and all, this miraculous machine encases a tree in netting in mere seconds, prepared for its journey to a cozy abode. Flawless dumplings without manual folding. The machine handles everything. Soon it might even request sour cream. Manual wall smoothing? Forget about it. This automated tool renders them impeccable and doesn't even require a coffee break. No explanation is required. Materials move, the machine operates, and the operators conduct like maestros, ensuring everything remains in harmony. Here, metal encounters fire and water, and vanishes like a magician's trick. Sparks gone, metal gone, pure spectacle. Such a simple hand tool, yet it crafts blocks with the artistry of a sculptor molding clay. Neat, sharp, and genuinely impressive. The apparatus grasps the timber with unyielding strength, boring minuscule apertures with such self-assurance it borders on arrogance. Molds crafted from specialized alloys burst into shape under the press's impact, each strike a resounding declaration of power. One moment, raw material. The next, a fully formed bucket. The press operates with an unspoken yet undeniable force. The placement of railway tracks transcends mere construction. It is akin to orchestrating a heavy metal symphony, exacting, rhythmic, and imposing. Achieving a flawless corner isn't magic, it's proficiency. This machine cuts at the precise angle, akin to a mathematician enamored with accuracy. Yesterday it was a branch, today a perfectly smooth sheet. The press, a hydraulic wizard, transforms it with effortless power. Pasta is extruded, sliced, and propelled onto the conveyor belt, a performance that would impress even the most discerning Italian. This machine eliminates weeds from the soil with such precision it could be mistaken for manual labor. Vineyards express gratitude, agronomists applaud. Beads string themselves with such rapidity, your eyes can't keep pace, all thanks to the machine, though a human touch of genius is still required. Tough material, high pressure, and a stream of water. Suddenly precise cutouts appear, as if a compass and ruler had a secret workshop in a dystopian future. Manually removing tiles. Not in the 21st century. One pass from this excavator-like machine. No tile, no issue. A harvester converts a tree into neatly cut logs in seconds. Even if you prefer manual labor, this apparatus performs excellently independently. Bog, seedlings, mud. A nightmare for laborers, but not for this machine. It plants as if performing a manicure, neat and assured. One pass, and the metal sheet folds into a precise curve, as if gently shaped under an engineer's meticulous gaze. The cargo ascends from the water like a cinematic treasure, a fascinating mechanism operating with impeccable precision. Let's simply watch and enjoy. Do not inquire about its operation, simply observe and appreciate. This is where engineering and beauty coalesce into pure contentment. To forge a hammer that strikes with both power and intent, one requires machinery of this caliber. This enormous machine traverses fences with such ease, it appears to be a steel acrobat rather than an excavator. One swift crunch, and the aluminum sheet curves into a scoop-like form. In moments, its ultimate purpose becomes clear. With a log splitter like this, you could comfortably endure a winter in the taiga. No exhaustion, no complaints, and a tidier woodpile than you could ever manage. He operates with the finesse of a craftsman, meticulously refining metal to unveil its ideal form, ready for display. When a component requires a perfect semicircle, this technological marvel polishes it as if preparing it for an architectural design competition. Handbag chains aren't naturally occurring. They're intricately formed here by a machine that understands style with precision. Exhaustion is unknown to these metallic titans. They operate silently for extended periods, without interruption or flaw. When human effort and machinery synchronize, it's not merely about speed, it's the harmonious rhythm of assembly. Winding tape or ribbon, it's a spectacle. Spools gyrate, materials whirl, and you quickly forget why you initially arrived. Bags of cement descend like rain, and the worker below carefully catches and stacks them, akin to a construction-themed game of Tetris. Position the component and the machine bends it accurately and swiftly. Hesitate, however, and you'll hit your fingers, not the target. A machine that doesn't query but intrinsically understands the desired metal form, shaping it with the certainty of a geometry instructor. Small wooden rods rapidly eject from the machine, one after another, ready for myriad applications. Calmly and confidently, this machine grinds and shapes the metal, as if assuring, "Don't worry, I've got this." On the surface, sharp lines, even color, no flaws, all from a machine like an artist. Yes, metal is strong, but under this press, it's like dough. You can shape it any way you want. Each cycle of this apparatus refines the material with incredible precision, as though perfected by a master artisan. A single device proficiently executes 4 distinct pipe bending operations, each with the fluidity of an orchestral performance. Excessive tape? Not an issue. When all spools rotate simultaneously, it transforms into an organized ballet of packaging. Inserting the drawstring into athletic wear is a seamless task for this machine, making it appear as if it were always there. Seeking efficiency, this automated irrigation system manages itself, akin to having a personal skilled landscaper. Automotive components are submerged in paint, a striking and smooth immersion process. Once emptied, beverage cans are subjected to the press, emerging as a compact, recyclable aluminum block. Bristles are incorporated so rapidly, it seems the machine is assembling a formidable cleaning instrument. Cakes are sliced with geometric precision, creating neat, uniformly presented portions. Water pressure combined with mechanical force slices steel as if it were soft cheese, silently and with exceptional precision. Shoelaces are threaded through pants with effortless speed and precision, completing the task in an instant. Designs on dinnerware feel enchanted, a machine, yet each imprint lands with an artist's precision, sharp, clean, and beautiful. A semi-automatic harvester is far superior to a manual tool. Maintain grip, advance, and witness the crops effortlessly yield. Creating holes for this equipment is like punching paper, except the material is steel and the outcome remains impeccable. Metal resists, but it will not prevail when the press and the skilled operator collaborate, guiding it with precision. This machine confidently bends even the most stubborn metal rods to any desired angle. A heavy press transforms red-hot iron into a sculpted shape with remarkable force and precision. This machine not only bends metal, but does so with an artistic eye for perfectly curved shapes. Effortlessly remove deeply stuck steaks from the ground using this convenient handheld device. A torrent of items approaches the worker, who expertly stacks them, performing as if engaged in an advanced level of Tetris. A single pass sharpens a pencil to a dangerously fine point. Exercise caution to avoid accidental injury. Molten metal gracefully forms chain links, behaving less like iron and more like highly malleable clay, a truly hypnotic display. It is remarkable how even inanimate metal machinery can function as a genuine artist, producing objects of considerable aesthetic value. Seemingly ordinary plaster is transformed into an exquisitely smooth wall, a minor tool achieving the impact of a comprehensive installation. The wood is securely held as the blade shaves it, leaving a surface so clean it gleams like a polished yacht hull. A plume of smoke dissipates within seconds thanks to this compact device, suggesting its potential as a hero in smoke-filled environments. Silage is swiftly compacted into a bale and enveloped in film within moments, akin to a gift being prepared for a bovine recipient. A large brush gently agitates the tree, almost coaxing it. It's time to yield, and the harvest rains down. Rolling over freshly laid asphalt, it smooths the road, providing the driver with a ride akin to a race car, resulting in perfectly straight surfaces. The belt moves rapidly, objects bounce, leaving one to ponder whether this is a conveyor system or a high-speed acrobatic display. A stone cleanly splits in half with the machine's lightest touch and almost fairy tale quality powered by hydraulics. Two rotating spools precisely grind metal, yielding components that appear to have materialized directly from a blueprint, allowing no margin for error.